What are these strange sounds in the ocean?
Did you know that scientists have recorded mysterious sounds from the ocean? One of these sounds is called the bloop. It was so loud that it was heard thousands of miles away. Despite many theories, its true source is still unknown. Another mystery includes the upsweep, a sound that comes and goes seasonally. Researchers suspect it might be linked to underwater volcanoes, but have not confirmed it yet. What could be making these noises? Follow me for more fun facts.